In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush Pro for free in 2025. To begin, head over to the Semrush website and look for the Start Free Trial button. Once you click it, choose the Pro Plan trial if that option is available. This is usually the best choice if you want access to the core SEO and marketing tools without committing to a paid subscription right away. Next, create a new account using your email address. Make sure you use an email account you can access, because Semrush may ask you to verify it before you continue. Go through the verification step if prompted and then return to the sign up flow. After that, select the free trial offer that appears on your screen. In many cases, Semrush offers a 7-day free trial for its toolkits, although sometimes longer trial periods may be available through special promotions. It's a good idea to read the offer carefully so you understand exactly what's included and how long the trial lasts. You may then be asked to enter billing information. If that happens, provide a valid payment method and take a moment to review the trial terms before moving forward. This step is important because trial offers can automatically renew into a paid plan if they are not canceled in time. Once everything looks correct, activate your trial by completing the sign-up process. After that, you should have access to the premium SEO tools included with the trial. Now that your account is active, set up your first project by adding your website. From there, configure tracking and site audits so Semrush can begin collecting useful data about your site's performance and overall SEO health. Next, start using the keyword research tools, especially the keyword magic tool. This can help you discover keyword opportunities, review search volume, and find terms that may be useful for your content strategy. You should also run a site audit. This allows Semrush to analyze your website for SEO issues and provide recommendations you can use to improve technical performance and visibility in search engines. Another useful step is competitor research. Enter competitor domains to analyze their keywords, backlinks, and traffic sources. This can give you a clearer picture of what others in your niche are doing well. Before your trial ends, export any important reports you want to keep, including keyword lists and site audit reports. Saving this data ensures you still have access to your findings later. Finally, set a reminder for a day or two before the renewal date. That way you can decide whether to continue. If you do not want to keep the subscription, go to subscription settings and cancel before the trial ends to avoid being billed.